Hi, my name's Cecilia, and I'm part of the team here at EF London. I want to introduce you to our new free English learning app called EF Hello. Let's take a closer look. When you open EF Hello, you'll need to select your current English level. Then you can start learning immediately. This is totally flexible, so if you want to change your level later, you can. EF Hello consists of 1,200 hours of absolutely free content for a limited time. On top of this, we do have paid functionality for those of you who want to supercharge your English learning. As you can see, the focus of EF Hello is learning through conversation. It's both fun and super effective, complete with comprehensive and systematic content. I'd love to show you a speaking section as an example.
I don't know what to do.
I don't know what to do.
I often think about where I should live.
I often think about where I should live. I've only given you a very simple demo today, so do go and download EF Hello to try out the other awesome functionalities. On behalf of all of the team here in London, thank you very much for your support and good luck with your English learning.